Bluetooth track on end. Steering angle kit from Born to Drift.
Oh, we make French electric good. Oh, like a glue.
Like a glue. I got the E. Jesus, medium size skirt. Woo! I wouldn't wait too much for the shots coming out with the ball joint anyway.
Well seized.
She is fucking well seized, which is surprising because the car is quite clearly so fucking mint. Laughs in Japanese rust. Oh, that's fucking French.
Sound basically the same.
Fuck sure, French, Japanese. Yeah, oui, la patisserie, huh?
Oh, we make French electric good. Oh.
That's where it fucking pops out, cracks the fucking lane.
Or cracked me in the fucking bake.
Let's get some fucking optimal zoom up in there. Oh, jeez.
It should be ready to go, shouldn't it?
God damn! Leave it in the comments if that made you jump.
Made me jump.
I'm not gonna lie, mate, I'm pretty sure I jumped too, like. Once you've got your ball joint out, you're ready for that fucker. You do need to modify your ball joint. Fortunately enough, we have brand new ones on the shelf. That's the reason why you need to cut them. The way it sits in the yoke, in the fucking yoke. So that there is why you cut them, because the standard non-cut one she'll no fit in the CNC machine bit there. You see there. So you give her a wee trim till she's about that size there. In comparison to that side, and
you cut the track rod leg yoke off.
Hi. I mean, you're fucking mint. Many things are happening. Many. So we finally got the hydro mounted. So that's the end result there. Some fucking serious angle in her now, boy. Fuck that hand washing shit, like. It's far too cold. So we got the angle kit done. Finally got the hydro mounted. Raised the front of the car an inch either side.
By an inch,
About an inch.
25mm for our European.
It's looking fucking sweet now, boy.
Sorry, 25.4.
25.4. Jeez, boy, that's some fucking lot on her, boy. Fucking hell. There's some fucking cutting, hey.